Ever wondered how some traders are making $5,000 a day trading random meme coins you've never heard of? Well, it's not just luck, it's a strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you a step by step guide, and from finding the right coins to scalping them for fast profits, you're going to see the entire process. Stick around until the end because I'll even walk you through a live trade example using Axiom Pro and Dex Screener. So, first is what exactly is MemeCoin scalping? So, scalping is a fast paced trading strategy where you make lots of small trades to profit off tiny price movements. But with meme coins, those tiny movements can turn into 20, 50, or even 100% gains in minutes. The idea is simple: you're not holding and hoping, you get in, ride the pump, and get out before the dump. It's risky, it's fast, but if you follow the right steps, it can be insanely profitable. So to make this work, you need the right tools. First, I use Dex Screener to scan for trending meme coins. If you wish to get an access to Dex Screener, I've included the link in the description box below. So you can simply create an account on Dex Screener by clicking on that link and avail numerous discounts and bonuses on all of your transactions. So Dex Screener has basically a very nice interface, and you can filter tokens by volume, liquidity, price actions, and age, which is crucial for finding fresh opportunities. So you can head over to Dex Screener, and we have filters over here. You can set minimum and maximum liquidity on all platforms on all dexes. You can also set the profile. You can also set market cap, FTV, peer age, and some other stuff. Simply click on apply in order to filter out the meme coins that you really want. Moreover, you can also set watch list and alerts so that you're not actually just sitting all the time and viewing the graphs. You'll be alerted about the specific meme coins and when they're about to explode and when they are performing really good in the market that time. Then I use Axiom Pro, which is my trading terminal. It gives my sniper entry tools, automated take profits and stop loss spots, wallet trackers, and even sentiment analysis, and in one place. All in one place. Finally, I monitor Telegram groups and Twitter to stay on top of trending tokens and community activity. If a coin has hype behind it, that usually translates into price movements. So you're not actually gonna stay in a single group. You can join multiple Telegram groups and also follow multiple Twitter accounts in order to get to know about the good tokens. The best thing about Axiom is that you can link it with your Twitter account, and here you can head over to Twitter tracker and you'll be able to see all of the meme coins that are performing really good in the market over here, and it gets loaded per second, so you'll get the best updates, the best alerts. You can simply add those accounts that you really want. So you can head over to trackers over here like Twitter trackers, and simply you can add those meme coins and you can follow those accounts that you think perform really well in the market. So you can simply follow them and you'll be able to see those alerts over here. You can totally customize your feed over here and get alerts. So this is really good because you can simply as soon as you get updates regarding a meme coin, you can simply just trade them within a snipe. And you can also customize Axiom Pro. Like you can see that I've made the buttons really big so that I don't really miss any click. So now the question is how you can find meme coins. You have gotten the right tools, you've gotten the right strategies, but how do you actually find the meme coins? So here's how I find the meme coins before the pump. First of all, you're gonna head over to your Dex Screener. Then you gotta head over and filter the tokens that are less than 24 hours old. So let us head over to filters, and you can simply just sell, like maximum sells, maximum buys, and set the tokens that are less than 24 hours old with at least $100,000 in trading volume and a minimum of $20,000 in liquidity. So you're going to look for coins that are forming an early uptrend or consolidating after a spike, because those are the ones that are likely to move again. So don't really, rush after the meme coins. If a meme coin has exploited, just wait for them so that they can get a spike again. So once you see something interesting, you're going to head over to your Telegram or your Twitter, whichever handle you want, and search for the token name and see what the community is saying. You can also, just join reliable Reddit communities, and you can also head over to Axiom and see the Twitter tracking over here. So you gotta search for the token name and just see what the community is saying. If people are actively posting memes talking about the coin, or if it's gaining followers fast, that's usually a green flag for me to trade it, and that's actually a green signal for you to trade. So now the question is, what is the best scalping strategies? So when it comes to actually scalping the coin, you gotta trade the 1 minute chart. That's where the action actually happens. Like you gotta head over, for example, this is the meme coin and this is the token. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna head over and look at the chart. So over here, like in deck screener, you can see that there are a few keys indicators to make fast decisions. And as well as if you head over to axiom, and for example, this is the token, so you're gonna click on it and over here as well, you can also see a few key indicators to make fast decisions. So you're going to use exponential moving averages to see the short-term trend, that is RSI, to measure momentum and volume spikes to confirm breakouts. So your entry strategy should be you waiting for a breakout above a recent consolidation level, confirmed with high volume and RSI that's still under 80. So you can see that your exits should be fast and you should usually aim for 15 to 30% profit for per trade. You can see that I have enabled a TradeWiz bot over here so that I've enabled the extension so that if a specific meme coin is performing really good and I can simply quick buy it and quick sell it however I want. So you can see by doing so the exits are fast and my stop loss is tight, so typically between 5 to 8%, and I use axiom pro and I suggest you to use axiom pro as well for the auto take profit and stop loss bot to lock in gains and limited losses automatically. By doing so, you will never risk more than 3 to 5% of your total capital on one coin because safety always comes first. So now let's say we have found this token that is known as Jailmira, and you can see that it is over here in Eximber. Or let us head over to Deck Screener, and here we have USDUC, slash Solana on PumpSwap. So here you can see that it has just launched and is getting a lot of attention. So the volume jumped from a bit of this much to this much over here. You can also just add this and you can just trace the path for better views. So the chart is showing a clean breakout, and you can see people spamming meme and shelling the coins like crazy on Telegram or Twitter. You can just follow them. So you can simply enter the amount of dollars you want, and right after the first breakout, you can do that. So within a few minutes, the price will jump from a few percent to a greater number of percent, and you can see the trade would be closed near to a bit of, like, if you're moving from let's say 2%, then the trade will close around 28%. So you can make about till thousands of dollars within a few minutes. So the entire trade lasted about from 5 to 10 minutes it can last, and that's the kind of opportunity scalping memecoin gives you when you can act fast and follow a plan. So now let's talk about how you can scale up to $5,000 per day. So I don't really rely on big trade. I take multiple small trades throughout the day on average. So you can make around $5,000 to $1,500 per trade. And that is daily. It is very small. So it depends on the coin and how strong the momentum is. So you should usually do 5 to 10 trades daily, and you can take losses, but they're small and controlled. So my winners more than make up for the losers. The key is consistency and discipline. And with Axiom Pro handling my auto traders and risk settings, I'm able to focus on finding better setups, and I'm able to focus on finding better setups such as keeping my emotions out of the equation. So scalping meme coins isn't just a game. It's not for everyone. There are a few things you need to be careful about. Rug pulls are real, especially with new coins. Always check if the liquidity is locked and if the contract looks safe. Don't FOMO into coins just because they're pumping. Wait for good setups. Start small and never ever use money you can't afford to lose. Take profit quickly because these coins can crash just as fast as they pump. And finally, always keep an eye on gas fees, especially on Ethereum. They can eat into your profits. So that is how you can make $5,000 a day scalping meme coins. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy trading.